Alrighty guys, so today we're going to be working on the XJ. Got a little bit of an issue with the cap here. Every time I loosen it up, I get some almost like pressure coming out. I had this issue with my Comanche, and I just sprayed out the evap lines, and they must have been clogged, and then I also sprayed out the container. So I'm just going to show you. I wonder if it'll do it now, but no. Of course, it's not going to do it on us, but basically like a pretty substantial amount of air rushing out and a really strong fuel smell. So I didn't drive it today, so probably didn't pressurize up, but yeah, so I'm just going to be showing you guys kind of what I did with the MJ, and hopefully that'll fix my issue on the XJ. All right, so we're under the XJ here. So we got the fuel tank here, and we have the evap lines that run to this little T-junction here. Let's see if I can get a better angle for you guys. So it runs to this T here. So I'm going to pull this guy off, and then I'm going to blow some compressed air through here, and then that goes all the way to the canister, just to see if I can get it unclogged. And these are clear. I know these are clear from here to here to the actual rollover valves, and they're not being pinched by the fuel tank. I already know that because I just did that. And so yeah, all we got to do is just pull this guy off and then get some compressed air in there, and we'll be good to go. Here is the evap canister. So we're just going to pull off these lines here. Okay, and then I'm just going to blow compressed air into these two lines. I have them disconnected at the T back there, and then I'm just going to blow inside here. But took this line off. I think there's like a little ball, like check valve type guy right in here. So you're going to want to have to blow that way, you know, from the actual T valve out this way, out this end. I don't think you can blow in the other way around with that little ball in there. So, and then one thing to know that when you touch this, your hands are just going to get, I washed my hands already, but they get like super black. So, and then all this one does is this one connects back up here. So anyway, guys, that is pretty much all you got to do to clear out your evap system. And like I said, I just stuck a compressed air into the end of the evap canister and just sprayed it in there for a couple seconds. Did it on the intake and outtake. Just gonna blow all that crap if there's anything clogged in there, and then just blow those lines out, and that should do it. So anyway, hopefully that you found this video helpful. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.